Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all having an amazing day and I hope you're doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add text during or over your videos in the Davinci Resolve editing app. The version is 18.6, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have added this stock video of deer into my media pool. You just do that by right-clicking on the media pool and clicking on import media. Now, once you've done that, you can also create a timeline by just clicking right-click and create new timeline. And in that, just click on the timeline to select it and drag the video down here to add it to the timeline for editing purposes, of course. Now, once you actually do that, where you find the text is here at the top from these 5 options. You have the media pool, you have the sync bin, you have transitions, titles, and effects. And as you can see, what we want is the titles tab. Here you can find all these different sorts of text. If you hover over them, you will have an example of what it looks like. You have fusion titles with animations and everything, scrolling titles, etc., and you have the basic title, which I will be using to demonstrate. And to use it, just click on it and drag it over here. Make sure it starts at the exact time as the video so you can see the preview. And once you do, you can just click on it once or twice. And now that it's like this, you can delete it, add whichever text you want, and that is pretty much the basics of that. As I've said, you can preview any one of these that you would like. By scrolling them with your mouse, you can actually see what the animations are like. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.